The 2001 Pontiac REV Concept was a standout at the Pontiac exhibit, blending style and performance in a four-door crossover. It featured a powerful 245-horsepower 3-liter OHC V6 engine, paired with an electronic sequential 5-speed manual transmission, with an automatic mode operated by a sequential joystick. Designed for enthusiasts, the REV had all-wheel drive and adjustable suspension for different terrains, offering low and high ground clearance settings. Its center-opening doors with no B-pillar gave it a sleek profile. The lift tailgate arrangement improved access to the rear cargo area. The car rode on 19-inch wheels in the front and 20-inch wheels in the rear, with large ventilated disc brakes and high-performance calipers. It used the Epsilon platform, hinting at potential production. Phil Zak, the designer, aimed to create a car for young enthusiast drivers. Inside, there was a 3-screen reconfigurable LCD display for the driver, offering customizable datasets like the speedometer, rev counter, or GPS. This showcased the REV's advanced technology and adaptability to various driving conditions. In conclusion, the 2001 Pontiac REV Concept was a bold and athletic vehicle, embodying the spirit of young enthusiasts through its performance design, advanced tech, and adaptability.